Hello everyone, I am Sayan and today I am going to present a presentation on my recent project Ferns and Petals Sales Data Analysis. So let's get started. Here is my dashboard. You can see it's all interactive. See, it's changing its value on the basis of slicer. And let's see from the scratch of my project. So here is the project description, that is Ferns and Petals is a online gifting company yani platform who sells the lines of products in Diwali, Holi and more festivals. So the dataset includes information on orders, products, delivery dates, location and revenue. I have to build a dashboard on the basis of this data. So let's see the goals of my project. Here are some goals of my project: identifying the total revenue and what is the delay between order time and delivery time, and to understand the sales performance monthly, top 10 cities based on the orders, of course, of order count, and so many more. Let's see. I have this diagram, you can see. So I have to first extract the data, then cleaning it, then transforming it using Power Query, then load the data in the Excel, and after that I have to model the data, means data modeling using Power Pivot, and after that I will analyze the data, and at last I will create the dashboard, and for the better understanding I will execute some summary from this dashboard. Okay, let's see and go to the dashboard. So here you can see the full dashboard I have created using Excel. Here is the company logo, and after that I have the key metrics or KPI here for the total orders of thousands and total revenue 35,20,984, and order to delivery time is average 5.53, means 5.5 days, and average spend per order per customer is 3,520.98. and here you can see I have created a bar chart of occasion versus revenue, means every occasion what revenue the company have gained, and after that I have created the category versus revenue, and after that I have created a bar chart on top 10 cities based on the order count, and after that I have put the revenue trend based on the month of 2023. Of course this is a 2023 data, and after that I have put the top 5 product based on the revenue using a pie chart, and after that I have created a line chart using what time of the day customer is ordering the gifts or anything, and after that I have linked all these charts and KPIs with this slicer where every occasion is mentioned there, and if I click on birthday it will just change the number to how many orders are there for birthday and how much sales or revenue have earned the company, and for Diwali, and you can see if I click Diwali, its monthly trend revenue is only for November. Why? In 2023 Diwali was in November, so there is only 1 month in the monthly revenue trend, that is November. Okay, if I clear the filter again, you can see all the data is reset to the base performance, and I have put the timeline of the order date and delivery date. I will just show you the order date trend. If you click February 2023 for the 13 or 11 February 2023, you can see for the occasion it's Valentine's Day, of course, and what is the category customer have ordered? They ordered the cake, colors, mugs, plants, etc. And I can switch to months timeline also. That is, if I click on January, it is showing all the January 2023 orders and its revenue and everything all. Okay. After that, to showcase my project, I have put the all details of this project to my website. Okay, this is my website. You can see I have put all the summary and all the details of my project here. Here is the dashboard report, and here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.